Hi everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. I am Umansh Agarwal and today we are going to create something super useful and interactive in Scratch, a multiplication table generator. In this project, you will be able to type any number and Scratch will automatically show you its multiplication table from 1 all the way to 10. This is one of the most helpful tools, especially for students and learners, because you can instantly generate tables like any number. So get ready to learn while having fun. And before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more exciting Scratch tutorials. Alright, let's start coding. First, we'll delete the cat sprite and choose a backdrop. Scroll down and I'll take the school. Okay, school backdrop is looking nice. Now I'll choose a sprite. I'll search Danny. I'll make the size 70. Go to costumes. I'll delete this Danny A and Danny B. I'll take a boy. Okay, and I will select his left hand and rotate it like this. Okay, and put it over here like this. And now I'll change its name to Roy. Roy. And over here too, Roy. Okay, let's go to coding. And I'll select his position to this. And first, this is a multiplication table. So, when flag clicked, now we will make two variables. So, I'll rename variable because we don't need my variable. The first is number. Okay. And the second one is table. Okay. And the table's meaning is a number which is taken by the user. And we have to make its multiplication table. And the number variable is used to multiply the user's number from 1 to 10. Okay, after when flag clicked, first we will set number and set table to 0, 0. And now we have to make a list called table. Table, enter. Okay, here is it. I will make this a little bigger. Perfect. After this, we will go to the list and delete all of table. After this, go to looks and take say. It will say hello everyone and put a space between it. Do you want to make a multiplication table and then question mark like this? And after this, wait 1 second instead of 1 second. 0.5 seconds. After this, go to sensing and take ask what's your name and wait. We will not write what's your name, but we will write please type any number. Okay, please type any number. And then variables set table sensing two answers. Take this answer over here and then variables set number to 1. And after this, go to control and take a repeat 10 block because it will repeat 10 times. Now go to looks and take this say for 2 seconds. And not for 2 seconds, but we will write 1 second. Go to operators and take multiply by. Variables say table multiply by number. Means it will multiply by the number, like I'll say 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. After table multiply by number for 1 second. add thing to table. So for that, go to operators and take this join. I'll duplicate this table and then another join I'll take, and over here I'll put a space and then put a multiplication sign and then again space, and after this again one more join, and in this join put the number, then one more join, and for the equal to the same thing, space, then equal to sign and then again space. You can just duplicate from the say and put it over here like this. And now put this in the add block. So its meaning is it will add to the table list. It will write the table like I have taken 2 tables. So it will write 2 multiplied by 1 because the number which we are multiplying first is 1 is equal to the answer. And then again 2 multiplied by 2 because it is repeating 10 times. Multiplied by 1 to multiply by 10, it will repeat 10 times. And after this, it will wait for 1 second and then variables change number by 1. Now see the effect. Then please type any number. Okay, I'll type 10 number. 10. Oh, 10 multiplied by 1 is equal to 10. 10 multiplied by 2. And the number is also changing. 5, 6. And the table is 10 because we have typed the table 10. It's not showing it properly. Okay, perfect. So it's running perfectly. Now we want he will speak. So for that, you can see a blue box at bottom corner. Just click on it and you will see text to speech on the fourth one. Make your project talk. So click on it and now I'll set voice to alto, not alto actually, tenor because he is a boy and tenor is a boy's sound. And after say hello, a multiplication table, I'll take speak and I will copy this text, press Ctrl C so that it could copy. And now Ctrl V for paste. And it will be after hello everyone. And take another speak hello before ask please type any number. And select this please type any number to copy and paste. Okay. And the last part is take one more speak hello below the add. You just duplicate this full and put it in speak. Now let's see the effect on big screen because our project is fully done. Okay, let's start. Okay.
Hello everyone. Do you want to make a multiplication table? Please type any number.
Oh, it's saying. Okay, I'll type any number. So I'll write 200. Okay. Enter. You can press.
200 times 1 equals 200.
Is equal to 200. Nice.
200 times 2 equals 400.
Amazing, and the number is also changing.
200 times 3 equals 600.
Like it's now 3, 4.
200 times 4 equals 800.
It's going full
200
nice.
times 5 equals 1000.
Full
200
nice.
times 6 equals 1200.
And it's 7 now.
200 times 7 equals 1400.
And table is showing 200.
200 times 8 equals 1600.
Because
200 times 9 equals 1800.
Table of 200. And now last.
200 times 10 equals 2000.
Perfect. I hope you understand and like this video. If you like, please like, subscribe, share to your family and friends. And yes, Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.